This P0160 repairing video is dedicated to Toyota's drivers. If your Toyota is getting a P0160 error code, this video is going to show you 2 practical solutions to fix the error code at home. Use the Zeus app to scan your vehicle and see the error code P0160. It is triggered when your vehicle's oxygen sensor, Bank 2 Sensor 2, is malfunctioning. Here are 2 of the most practical solutions to fix Toyota's P0160 error code. Method A, MAF Sensor. MAF sensors are located between the air filter and the throttle body. Carefully remove the MAF sensor from your car and do a quick inspection around. The wire inside often gets dirty and needs to be cleaned. You can spray the MAF sensor cleaner onto the wire perpendicularly to the ground, so that it won't damage the MAF sensor. Reinstall the MAF sensor back in the car after it gets dry. Method B, the oxygen sensor. This oxygen sensor is located right before the catalytic converter. Bank 1 is on the side with the cylinder number 1. Sensor number 1 is usually the one in the exhaust manifold. Visually check the oxygen sensor's electrical connections, wire harness, and metal tabs for any damages. If damages are found, replace the oxygen sensor. So here are 2 of the most practical solutions to fix Toyota's P0160 error code. After the repair, you can now use the Zeus app to clear the error code. And tap the rescan button one more time to make sure everything is fine with your vehicle.